Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Volkswagen We Connect for charging timers and energy data, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Volkswagen We Connect, start by ensuring you have your vehicle's VIN ready. Download the Volkswagen We Connect app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, open it and select the option to create a new account. Enter your email address and create a secure password. You will receive a verification email shortly. Check your inbox and click on the verification link provided. Return to the app and log in using your new credentials. Navigate to the Register Vehicle section. Input your vehicle's VIN in the designated field. Confirm your vehicle information by checking the details displayed on the screen. Accept the terms and conditions to proceed. Once your vehicle is registered, you will be directed to the main dashboard. Look for the Charging Timers option to set up your charging preferences. Select your preferred charging times based on your schedule. Adjust the charging limit to optimize your energy usage. Next, explore the Energy Data section to monitor your usage statistics. Within this section, you can view your charging history and energy consumption trends. Save your settings to ensure they are applied. Close the app, and your registration with Volkswagen We Connect is complete. You can now enjoy the convenience of managing your charging timers and energy data directly from your device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.